In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys 7 income streams that you can create and make from home with no startup costs. You know, it's free. You can do this with your cell phone, with your laptop. I'm going to be giving you guys examples. I'm going to be showing you guys some of my numbers, my actual numbers that I've done. I feel like there are a lot of people that kind of tell you these things, but they don't actually show you, the proof. And so for those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Dudley, aka Dudley Duds. I run the health and wellness brand Dudley Duds, where I provide services of training clients virtually, in person. I'm a best-selling author of my 2 recipe ebooks, High Vibing Soul Food, High Vibing Dessert. And I do a lot of cool things that I really want to share with you guys and empower you to do on your own. Alright, so with that being said,
I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, tell them run it up, no sleep, might crash, might wreck, but first die, stretch, tell them run it up.
This will be a partial continuation from the previous video I did, where I showed you guys how to create and diversify and just ultimately have 7+ streams of income. And so if you are somebody that has watched that video, you're gonna see that I talk about some of the same things, you feel me? Don't cuff me talking about, oh, you already talked about. Nah, this video is mainly for the new people, the new audience that is coming in on my channel to watch this. And so I really want you guys to actually go take these tips and these streams that I'm going to give you and actually go do them and use it for yourself. So man, without any further ado, so number 1, right, affiliate marketing. Now I'm pretty sure chances are, if you are watching this video, you've heard about this before. You might have seen other people talk about this before, but I am serious. Affiliate marketing has changed my life. Now, for those of you that don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically when you become you're an ambassador for a product or a company. And so a lot of companies, they are free to get started. They pay you 10% commission, 15, 20, 30. For example, on my self-made online business master course, where I teach people how to become self-made and create their own business, I pay my affiliates up to 40 to 45%, very handsomely. And so for my students that take my course, whenever they get another student to sign up, I pay them automatically. And so this is kind of how it works with all these different companies. If you give their brand exposure, they give you a commission, and it's free to start up, you know what I mean? And so for me, the first one that I ever signed up for was Amazon Associates, and I've had some pretty good months on Amazon Associates passively, earning about $600 here, $700 here a month. And again, that's with no effort, that's passive. So that's just one additional stream of income. So just imagine you being able to earn an extra $700 a month and not even doing anything. I literally don't touch my Amazon Associate. I've had my links up for about like a year or 2, and I don't do anything, and I still bring in $700. It varies, like there's months where it's like 400, 500. There's months where it's super low, like 200, 250. But the fact of the matter is, that's an extra $250 in my pocket from home or from anywhere in the world without me putting in any effort. And so I don't know about you, but I like getting an extra $250 for doing nothing. That can go towards food, that can go towards gas, insurance, whatever things that you have to do in your life, man. So number 1 is affiliate marketing, and definitely make sure to get on that for sure. Number 2 is something that my audience has heard me talk about a lot. This is selling e-products. What do I mean, right? Now you guys often hear me say you can monetize your knowledge and passions. You are a unique individual and you have something to offer. You have unique experiences that nobody else has experienced. And so you have a lot of books inside of you. I always like to say to my clients and just people in general, you have a lot of books inside of you. Somebody needs your talent and gifts on this planet. And so for me, I have a certain lifestyle. I eat a certain way. I live a certain way, you feel me? I'm a health coach, right? And so for me, I have extensive knowledge on how to cook a lot of plant-based recipes. And so I thought to myself, why not just put my recipes into a book? And I did. And I created 2, and I've sold hundreds and hundreds of copies of my book. So I'm very thankful for that. Thank you for the continuous support. But this is just something that I just did. It was knowledge that I already had in my mind, and I just put it onto paper and put it into a book, and I made it digital, and it sells every day. And so I'm able to help and serve a vast, you know, variety of people across the world. They can get my service and I get compensated. And so this is something that you can do right now. You can create your book on Canva. There's other websites that have templates where you can create your own book for free. This is free and it's at your fingertips. If you have a cell phone, if you have a computer, you can do this for free. All it takes is a little time. You feel me? It took me about 2 to 3 weeks to finish writing my first book. And guess what? I put up that initial two to 3 weeks, and I'm making money off my books for the rest of my life. And so, you know, whatever unique experience you have, whatever your expertise is, whatever your niche is, capitalize on that and put your thoughts into a book, and you can monetize that knowledge, and you know, you can help a lot of people. People need you out here, okay? So number 2 is selling e-products, you know, E as in electronic digital products. And before we move on to the third one, the reason why I always stress to my clients, especially in my course, is why you should have digital products is because it is, right? So for example, let's say you actually have a physical storefront. You have to be in that store. You got to open up shop, set up shop, clothes, all that stuff, tend to the customers. Look, I'm somebody that I'm a free spirit. I like to travel, you know what I'm saying? For those of you that follow me on Instagram, you see that in these past few months, I've been in San Diego, I was in Atlanta, I was in New York, you feel me? I like to travel, I like to experience things. From like next month I'm going to be in Colombia. I don't want to have to manually fulfill orders. When you actually create a digital product, what you're doing is you're able to serve and provide value, but you can be anywhere in the world and still getting paid. Okay, so that is the value of having a digital product. You don't have to manually fulfill anything. And so this is what I always tell you guys, get a digital product. Also, you know, for me, I don't have to pay sales tax. For example, since my business is started, you know, it's out of Florida, when somebody purchases my clothing and my shirt, if they live in Florida, I gotta pay sales tax. But with my ebooks, I don't have to pay any sales tax. I just collect that money profit. You understand? So it's opening up your time. Your time is the most valuable asset. And so this is why I can't stress enough, guys. Create a digital product. Create a book or a travel guide. You know, like if you travel, you feel me? Create a travel guide or something. But monetize your knowledge by putting a service electronically on the internet. Alright? Number 3 is simply freelancing. So basically offering your service or products. The 2 main websites that you can do this on is Upwork.com and Fiverr. You can find anything on Fiverr, such as graphic designers, people that are going to run your ads on Facebook for you, people that are going to be a virtual assistant for your business. And so whatever talent or skill you have, you know what I'm saying, maybe you're a graphic designer, maybe you have a very attractive voice, you can get paid to do voiceovers. Maybe you have skills in coding, maybe you're a CPA, maybe you are a lawyer, whatever. You can offer your services on Upwork, you know what I'm saying, and get paid from people all across the world. And if you have a cell phone, you can do this, whatever skill you have, right? So for example, let's say that the average Joe, right? Because I know that there are some people that are probably going to say, well, damn, I don't really know what skill I have, right? Okay, so let's say that you have a skill at just literally talking to people, and maybe you give advice. You can consult on Fiverr and just talk to people. There are people paying you just to talk, you know what I'm saying? Not like a little sugar daddy, sugar mama joint, but you could just literally get paid to just talk to somebody and just mentally, you know, checking in with their mental health. And so Fiverr and Upwork are dope websites for freelancers that can offer their services. Maybe you're a photographer and it's free and you get paid. Okay, so that is number 3. Number 4, you know, I had to say it's what I'm talking to you guys through right now, is YouTube. So I started uploading consistently on YouTube probably like 2018. So I've been on the platform now for about 2 to 3 years, you know, not that long. And so I've had great months, you know what I'm saying? I've had 10,000 months, I've had 15,000 months, you know, like dollars. And so it's good, but it's not even just about the AdSense, you know. From the first point I talked about affiliate marketing. You can monetize your YouTube channel in many different ways with the affiliate marketing and also the AdSense, right? And so that's a double whammy. I've had phenomenal months where I've made some pretty decent money from home. And for a lot of people, they say, well, you know, I'm not comfortable behind the camera, or I don't have a good camera. Look, I'm a first generation Haitian immigrant, couldn't really speak English properly until I was 6, had a really bad speech impediment, and so I'm on camera right now talking to you guys. And so if I can do it, you can do it. I'm telling you right now. And then on top of that, the best time to start was yesterday and right now. People are becoming millionaires on this platform, and it's a free platform that pushes out your content to the world. And so for me, I started off filming my videos with my dusted up Samsung Galaxy S5, potato camera, toaster camera, whatever you want to call it, and I gained my first 1,000 subscribers from that phone. And so YouTube is a very cool and great platform that you can cultivate and build a brand off this platform, and eventually bring people to your other services like your digital products, like your books, and you can also monetize it through, you know, affiliate marketing and stuff like that. And so YouTube, you know what I'm saying, there are some rule changes now. So for example, back when I first got on YouTube, you could just come on the platform and monetize it, but now it's different. You gotta have 1,000 subscribers, I believe, and 4,000 hours of watch time. But in my self-made online business master course, you know, like, my students get monetized quick, and I show them how to get monetized, how to hook your audience, how to add value, all the above. And so once you do become monetized, that's just an additional stream of income that you're collecting through direct deposit or check, whatever you want, you feel me? I ain't in your business, you know what I'm saying? I ain't in your business, but you can collect that money every single month, all right? So that's easy money right there. I mean, honest. So if you don't have a YouTube channel right now and you aren't capitalizing on your knowledge or your personality, I don't know what to tell you, because there's people out here getting this money. Facts. And I want to help you guys get it too. So that is number 4. Number 5, man, is crowdfunding. So what is crowdfunding? I ain't talking about OnlyFans or nothing like that, but you can have a subscription service where, you know, you provide a certain type of content and get paid each month. I have a Patreon where I upload, you know, educational content or self-help content, or content that, you know, it's a little bit more adult. Not in that way, but just where I can be more of myself and curse like I like to, you know what I'm saying? And I get patrons that subscribe, that support me each month. And so for the support, I can provide, you know, real content to them every month, and actually, you know, serve that community on Patreon through crowdfunding. And so this is another way that you can earn income online. I personally earn a couple hundred extra dollars from my Patreon each month, and that helps me to be able to reinvest back into myself with books, or, you know what I'm saying, bills or whatever. But that's extra money that I get every month. So that's pretty cool, because I can be anywhere in the world. I'm not stuck at a job or have to drive somewhere, and I can earn that income. Now, number 6 is something that you kind of have to have a little bit of an audience to do. But there are companies that are just looking for regular people, and you don't have to be big. Sponsorship and branded content opportunities, right? So for those of you that follow me, you know I've been talking about this a lot recently, because I've been extremely hyped about this opportunity. But recently I just got back from San Diego, where I had the opportunity to be in my first ever commercial, right? Dope experience. So that was a branded content opportunity. They paid for the whole experience. They paid for the flight, the apartment I was in, food, and they paid me to be there. That was a dope, you know, that was a dope experience, and I got paid. And so as you get on social media, you're gonna get companies that reach out to you, right? And so they're gonna be willing to pay you. As I said before, in the beginning, they're gonna try to lowball you and give you free products for video. I personally don't do that. My time is too valuable. But what I do is I consider the companies that are actually trying to pay me. And if my core values align with the product and services that they're trying to advertise, I collab with them. I help my audience, I expose the service or product to my audience, and in return they pay me. You can be on Instagram doing this, especially TikTok, you know what I'm saying. For the most part, everybody has social media now. So if you have social media right now and you're not getting paid, I don't know what to tell you. So if you have TikTok, if you have Instagram, even Facebook, if you have a YouTube channel, you know what I'm saying, you can reach out to brands, or brands will reach out to you, and you can get paid for simply advertising their product or being in their commercial or anything like that. You can make this money from home, literally off of your cell phone. So that is another way that you can earn income from home without any money. Alright guys, number 7, and by the way, if you like the video, make sure to smash that like button, man. Make sure to comment down below, engage with me a little bit, talk to me, and if you want me to create a part 2, make sure to comment down below so I know, and so that I can get that video up, man. And please like it, because I'm telling you, YouTube cares about that stuff, and it helps add more value to people. So the 7th and final way for this video that you can actually earn income from home without using any money is actually teaching a language. You guys know I'm a language freak. I speak multiple languages. I like learning languages. I like connecting with people. And so for the average person watching this, if you're in the States right now, chances are you only speak English. And so you might be thinking, oh well, you know, I don't speak a lot of languages, so how am I going to make money by teaching language? Easy. A lot of people want to learn how to speak English, and so you being a native English speaker, there are websites I know for a fact like Fluent U, Teachaway, where you can actually teach students from China or different countries in Africa, you know, just different countries in Europe. You can teach these people English and get paid thousands of dollars every month, literally. And so how many students you choose to take on and teach, that's ultimately up to you. But you can earn income from your phone. You could be anywhere in the world traveling and earning thousands of dollars by simply teaching them English. And so this is a way that I think a lot of people should capitalize on. A lot of people speak English, especially in the US. I mean, almost everybody speaks English. And so you can truly help somebody in another country learn English, learn the different slangs or whatever, you know what I'm saying, and actually, you know, help them, you know, learn a new skill, learn a new language, add value to them, also get compensated from that from your career, guys. So those are the 7 ways or 7 ways that you can earn income from home or anywhere in the world, honestly, without actually having to pay money. So again, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, you know, share this with somebody that can add value to them. And also, if you want to get one-on-one coaching with me or want to know how I've actually been able to actually quit my job 2 years ago now and have a lifestyle where I get to travel while I'm getting paid, while I'm fulfilling my purpose, while I'm actually helping people, make sure to click the link down below and enroll in my self-made online business master program, where I show you guys literally step by step in a 4-week course how to actually create your online business, how to monetize your knowledge, your passion, how to add value, how to find out what your purpose is, how to fulfill people, and ultimately how to get paid, because that's honestly what everybody wants, right? And so make sure to click that link down below, family. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next one, man. Peace.